Hi folks, welcome to another Spectrum video. This is BBC Mastermind Quizmaster. I haven't actually played this in my life, I don't think, but the quiz ones are going down well, I think, because people enjoy watching me struggle over ordinary, simple questions. But I must say, sometimes when I look back at the videos myself, I'm shouting the answers too. I'm like, Jesus, why didn't you get that? Why haven't you got that? But it seems to be the pressure of playing and recording. Not that it's that much pressure, you know, but even I'm looking back on, Jesus, man, some of them are obvious, but not many. So, BBC Mastermind Quizmaster was made by Mirrorsoft Limited in 1984, developed by Ivan Berg for a BBC show, the BBC show Mastermind. And I'm surprised how shit it looks, given that it was a BBC tie-in. I wish I'd been around to do it. Right. There we are, we missed the intro, but we saw it already. Tune. Right, well that was Mastermind, wasn't it? Alright. What? Is this a quiz making tool? I thought it was a quiz game? Nope. No, I haven't got a tape, mate. I haven't got a tape. Loading questions. That almost rings a bell, like I've done it before, but I don't think I've ever done that. Right. Tell me it comes with a bloody quiz. Create quiz, edit quiz, save quiz, get save quiz, end. End, please. Oh, that just breaks it. It's an editor for BBC Mastermind the game, according to World of Sinclair. So I'm going to get the real tap that I should have got originally. Here it is. And as you can see, it comes with the main thing and 2 data tapes. So that could prove difficult, unfortunately, on an emulator. But let's find out. Right. Here's the real deal. Come on. Good that, innit? No thanks. I think I know how to answer some simple questions. Oh, I don't. Only one, Bob. Alright, the first contestant will be called Fly Me to the Moon. Occupation, Bob. Oh, BM. Your specialist subject, prisoner, cell block H, Amiga, computers, zombies, Java, coding. Oh! No, I'm not actually sure. Let's just put computers. Aye, I'm pretty certain. Oh God. What's that all about? Alright, well, you see I can put the tape in here. Can I? How do I do it? That is the eject. Now, if I go to where I downloaded it and drag in the data tape, maybe it'll work. Side A. It's not going to have computers on it, is it? It should tell you. Ah, look, you can see from the characters, films, general. So really I should reload and just say general. And let's have a look what tape B has on it. Sport. in general. It shouldn't let you type computers then, should it? Jesus. Kids today. Alright, well I'm going to put tape A in. Yes, yes, come on. Jeez, I must say this is terrible. Yeah, alright, actually. This computer version of BBC TV's famous quiz contest can be played by up to 4 contenders. Each contender's knowledge of a chosen subject and his or her general knowledge is tested in turn over 2 rounds. 1 point is awarded for each blah 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 blah. Alright, 1 please. We'll call him what? Squibble. Squibble. The keys are all hard to type, and a lot of the other quiz questions I got things wrong because it just wasn't typing properly. Occupation. Arse. Specialist subject. General. Yes. Please load general tape. It's in, so did that work? Amazing. I think it worked. It did, look. Scribble dog, you have 2 minutes on general. Should tell you that there's not much to choose from. Starting now, come on then. Oh, I'm nervous, I'm a little bit nervous. Pumice stone is not quarried in the ordinary way. What is it? What is it in its original state? Whew. Hataware. That's just silly. Water? Clearly not water. Lava. Okay, lava is right. Right. When I get some of these, I bet you a prie-dieu is a small desk used as a furniture. What was its original purpose? I don't know. Footstool? Come on, who can get this? No, for praying is right. Even if you just type praying, you'd probably lost. What colour is identified with the precious stone lapis lazuli? Is it like blue? I can accept that. Azure blue is right. Get in there. Go on. Ah, that hurt. Which European river has 3 capital cities? Vienna, Budapest and Belgrade located on its banks. Oh God. Everyone's screaming at the screen. I've got no idea. Arse. I can accept arse. Danube. 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 I wouldn't have got that in a trillion years. Who is supposed to wear something old, something new? Ah. Bride. Is it a bride? Yeah, bride. Correct. We didn't even have to accept it. It just was right. Which mythical god was worshipped in the temple which contained the Oracle of Delphi? I don't know, man. Tool. Box. The god of hammers. I can accept Toolbox, the god of hammers. Apollo is right. And I know some of you watching it actually knew that. Because, you know, people let you know things like that. Scribble Dog, thank you very much. Well, end of the first round, I got 1 right. If it was on prisoner, I'd have been sorted. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Scribble Dog, 1. Oh, 2. I got 2, yeah? Kicking ass. Leader at the end of the first round is Scribble Dog. Yes. Now on to the second round, general knowledge. Well, not general knowledge. Second round of general knowledge, okay. Terrible graphics. Why don't they have some niceness about it, you know? Please load the general knowledge tape. Come on. I've already done that. Start the tape now. Oh no, I've broken it. Shit. I'll give it one more go, but I'm not impressed, I must say. This time I'm going to load the other tape. I'm going to tuck the speed up because this is just stupidly slow, this game. Speed, and I'll put it back down when the questions come on, I presume. I'll put it up to 10 times. Nope. See, you can type properly at this speed. Well, let's just put 4 contenders. First one's called Gareth Way. I'll have to put the speed down to put the specialist subjects in, I think. General. I'll just put the speed up 4 times, yeah? Yes, I'm sure. Right, I'm going to drag tape A in the same tape, because it can't, it surely has a lot of questions, right? Alright, let's knock the speed down a little bit, down to 2. Pumice, where? Lava. No. What, has it only got 4 questions? That's just, it can't do. Oh God, what a shit game. It looks bad, it plays bad, it needs the tape all the time, it seems to have the same questions. I want to load tape 2 now before I turn this garbage off. Couldn't even have a bloody BBC logo or some graphics at all. What coder did they come to here? Nope. We just want some questions, mate. That's all we want. You can be called whatever. General. Yes, I'm certain, mate. Absolutely certain. Also, why is it, when you put 4 people in, why is it only asking for one person's name? I put the second tape on, which has general as well. So these must be different. Two minutes. Starting now. Alright, come on. Into which Roman fountain do visitors throw coins in the belief that this act will ensure their return to the city? Oh God, how does anyone know about Roman fountains? I don't know, man. Trevi is right. What name is given to the lines on a map that connect places having equal temperatures? Isotherms is right. It's a good word, that. I'm going to note that down for ideas. Word to use somewhere. What was the family name of the last royal dynasty to rule over Imperial Russia? Don't know. Putin? I know it's not Putin. Romanov is right. On what river would you find the traditional flat-bottomed boats known as does and felucas? That's got to be the one in Venice, isn't it? But I don't know the name of the river. No, the Nile is right. Could have been the Tyne with the cobble boats. The P and O is a famous shipping line. What do the letters stand for? P and O. Post. I don't know actually. Poo. Peninsula and Orient. Well, at the end of that round, you have no points, and you've wasted 15 minutes of your life playing the shittest game ever created. And oh, the second contender. God, can we be bothered? Yeah, occupation, general. Let me type general. No, because I missed the L. General. They must think there's going to be a bank of tapes somewhere with every subject in the entire universe, but they only released sport and general. I know. This one's getting us down. I'm going to play Derby Day after this, so that might be more fun. According to the proverb, if it rains on St. Swithin's, how many days of rain can we expect? Jesus, I don't know. 6. 40 is right. A number is expressed as the number of molecules in a mole. Whose number is it? A number is expressed as the number of molecules in a mole. Oh, whose number is it? It's a constant, isn't it? I can't remember. Avogadro's number. Okay, I didn't know that anyway. Which leader was the most powerful man in Russia just after Khrushchev and before Andropov? Stalin. I don't know anything about anything, that's my problem. Leonid Brezhnev. In the nursery rhyme, the 3 blind mice had already lost their sight. What else did the farmer's wife deprive them of? They lost their sight. Home, maybe? Or food? Let's go for home. Their tails. Bloody hell. Horrible woman, her. What is the common name for the gallows that stood near where Marble Arch stands today? I do not know. Tyburn. What is the name given to a vacuum tube which allows observation of free molecular motion? Oh, I've done this. Because they leave a trail like clouds forming on the fuel behind a plane. The molecules leave a trail in the vacuum. I don't know, I'm talking shite, aren't I? Liebig. It's not Liebig, but that's the only one I can think of. Crookes tube. I was thinking of the Liebig condenser. Different thing altogether. After that round, you score 0 and no one passes. I don't think I can play the other 4 characters. It's a dull game. It's terrible. If you got this far, I'm amazed. Thanks for watching.